All right, it's been a crazy few weeks finishing up the newest entry in our product line. This means that in a couple months, we'll have consumer-ready parts, and in marketing, it's my job to get people excited. Using SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard, I can create some pretty great still images. But sometimes, still images just aren't enough to have people lined up outside the store. I need something more. With animations, sunlight environments, panoramics, and other output types in SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional, I can become a true master of realism and wow our customers. Let's start by talking videos. They're great for our website and very flexible. With this assembly, I use SOLIDWORKS Visualize to simulate a realistic sunlight environment. These can be set anywhere in the world, at any time, even down to the hour and minute of the day. Since we're designing parts that are going to be used outdoors, giving our customers that clear and relatable image can help them connect with the idea and want our product even more. When we get into assembly design, we can have a lot of moving parts. With this assembly, we took existing animations from within SOLIDWORKS and we rendered those with perfect realism, control over transparency, and internal sections. This gives us animations that pop, grab more views, and inspire our consumers to use our products. Videos do a great job of giving the buyer some perspective when looking at a product. But what if we could take that a step further and let the user virtually pick up and spin the model around, all from the convenience of their own desktop? With SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional, we can generate both panoramic and virtual reality outputs. Right in their web browser, they can virtually view the inside of a plane cabin, or take an in-depth look at a new piece of equipment to see every possible angle. We took the time to design a perfect product. Let's give them a way to see it. All right, at this point, we've seen some pretty awesome renders and animations. These advanced output types allow us to influence our customers and create a compelling image that we can use on our website, product packaging, or other materials. Using SOLIDWORKS, we can take that a step further by rendering existing animations, or maybe even kinematic studies created within SOLIDWORKS Motion as a true-to-life video. At the end of the day, SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional gives you the tool set you need to become a master of realism, so you can create experiences that keep your customers excited and ready for more. Don't make your customers imagine a world with your product. Contact GSC today so they can see it.